Have you ever wondered if one simple exercise could change the way your entire body looks and feels? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how doing daily squats can transform more than just your legs. They can reshape your body, improve your strength, balance, posture, and even boost your overall health. Sounds amazing, right? Let's dive in. Squats are often called the king of exercises, and for good reason. Whether you're a beginner or someone who's been training for years, squats offer benefits that go far beyond just building leg muscles. So, if you've been skipping squats or doing them once in a while, stick around till the end. I'll also share a few smart ways you can modify your squat routine for even better results. Let's get started. Number 1. Sculpted glutes and legs. Squats primarily target your gluteus maximus, hamstrings, and quadriceps. These are some of the largest and most powerful muscles in your body. When you perform squats daily, you're essentially reshaping the entire lower half of your body. Not only do your legs get firmer and more toned, but your glutes also become rounder and more lifted. And here's a tip. When you rise from the squat position, squeeze your glutes intentionally. This helps activate them more effectively. Try adding variations like sumo squats, jump squats, and goblet squats to enhance your glute engagement and shape further. The deeper you go, safely and with good form, the more those muscles work. Number 2. Improved core strength. Each time you do a squat, your abdominals, obliques, and lower back muscles kick in to keep your body stable. The movement naturally forces your core to engage, especially as you lower and push yourself back up. Squats may be even more effective for core development than traditional AB exercises like crunches. Why? Because you're working your core in a functional, full-body way. Just remember to inhale as you go down and exhale as you come up, engaging your core throughout. This leads to a tighter waistline, stronger posture, and reduced risk of back injuries. Number 3. Boosted muscle growth. All over while squats target the lower body, they actually help your entire body grow stronger. Because it's a compound movement, squats trigger a release of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone, both of which support muscle growth in the upper body as well. This means daily squats can indirectly help you build stronger arms, shoulders, and chest by priming your body's muscle-building system. That's why many bodybuilders and athletes rely heavily on squats. It's not just about legs, it's about total transformation. Number 4. Greater calorie burn and fat loss. If weight loss is your goal, squats should be a part of your daily routine. They engage multiple large muscle groups at once, which means you burn a significant amount of calories both during and after your workout. This is known as the afterburn effect. Your body continues to burn calories even while resting. Plus, squats help build lean muscle, and muscle naturally burns more calories than fat. So by increasing your muscle mass with squats, you're boosting your resting metabolism, making fat loss easier over time. Combine squats with other compound movements like lunges, deadlifts, and push-ups, and you'll have a fat-burning powerhouse workout. Number 5. Increased flexibility and mobility. One of the underrated benefits of squats is how much they improve your flexibility and mobility. Doing squats regularly helps open up your hips, stretch your hamstrings, and improve ankle mobility. The movement teaches your body to move better and more efficiently, which is especially important as we age. At first, your squat depth might be limited, and that's totally okay. As you squat daily, you'll naturally begin to squat deeper and more comfortably. You'll find yourself moving better not only during workouts, but also in everyday tasks like bending, sitting, and lifting. 6. Injury prevention and joint protection. Daily squatting strengthens the muscles around your joints, especially the knees, hips, and ankles. By building muscle and increasing joint stability, you're reducing your risk of common injuries like knee pain, ankle sprains, and even lower back strain. This is one of the reasons physical therapists often use squats in rehab programs. As long as you maintain good form, knees tracking over toes, chest upright, and back neutral, squats are not only safe, but highly effective in keeping your joints healthy and resilient. 7. Better balance and coordination. Squats challenge your balance in the best way possible. To stay stable during a squat, your body recruits several muscle groups at once, including your core, legs, and stabilizer muscles in your ankles and feet. Over time, this leads to improved coordination and stronger neuromuscular control. For athletes, this means better performance. For older adults, it means a lower risk of falling. For everyone else, it just means better overall body control, and that's something worth training for. 8. Enhanced posture and spinal health squats. Especially when done with proper form, strengthen the muscles that support your spine and shoulders. They encourage proper alignment, reinforce movement patterns, and combat the effects of poor posture caused by sitting or working at a desk all day. If you've ever struggled with rounded shoulders or lower back pain, incorporating squats into your daily routine can help reverse those issues by developing your postural muscles. Try front squats if you want to place even more emphasis on maintaining an upright torso. This variation is particularly good for reinforcing spinal alignment. 9. Stronger bones and healthier. Aging squats are a form of weight-bearing exercise, which is essential for bone density. When you perform squats, especially with added weight, your bones respond by growing stronger. This is critical for preventing conditions like osteoporosis, especially as we get older. A 2017 study showed that adolescents who regularly engage in strength training exercises like squats develop stronger bones, and those benefits continue into adulthood. It's a long-term investment in your health. 10. A full body functional workout. Finally, daily squats prepare your body for real-world movement. From sitting down in a chair to picking something up off the floor, squats mimic the movements you use in everyday life. By practicing them regularly, you're making daily tasks easier, safer, and less tiring. Squats help train muscle memory, improve coordination, and create a functional level of fitness that supports all areas of life, whether you're climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or chasing after kids. Here's the truth. You don't need fancy machines or a gym membership to transform your body. All it takes is a simple movement, done daily and done right. Squats are powerful, practical, and proven to work. They sculpt your legs, tone your glutes, strengthen your core, protect your joints, burn fat, and make your body function better in every way. So if you're serious about building a healthier, leaner, stronger body, start with squats. You don't need to go all in on day one. Just commit to consistency, and the results will follow. And don't forget, real transformation comes from a combination of smart workouts and smart lifestyle choices. So watch the next video on the healthy habits that will take your results to the next level. Thanks for watching, and go do those squats.